Hey everybody, I'm Jam with jamout.ai. If you don't have a custom GPT for your business, what are you even doing? I'm going to show you how to build one right now. All right, so GPTs are located in the Plus accounts only, and they're going to be in this little Explore tab. So go over there. Mine's going to look a little bit different than yours because I've been creating these for a while. So yours will probably show these. And definitely poke around and play with them and look at the configurations because they'll kind of help you understand how they're made. But I'm going to give you a play-by-play of how to create these for your business. And today we're going to use an example of one of my clients because she wanted me to make one for her anyway. So, all right, when you log in, it looks like this. And this is where you can actually chat with ChatGPT on how to create a GPT. Or if you already know exactly what you want, you can go in here and configure it yourself. I like people and AI doing things for me. So let's just start here and say, I need a GPT for my company. And let me grab her link here. It's Evolution XX. And actually go check this out. She is helping women in their late 30s and beyond be the best that they can be at every age. There's a lot that goes on with hormones that we just don't hear about. Also, sorry about the banging. We're getting new carpet upstairs. All right. So it's asking me some questions, which I love. It's not just assuming anything, so we can really customize this GPT for her. So should it assist with customer inquiries? Yeah, I was not very specific. I want this to help create marketing materials, sales funnels, and help drive signups for her launch. We also did a really fun branding exercise in one of our meetings, and she's going to use the tone of Mila Kunis for her company. So I'm going to tell it that as well. So it does get really stuck on creating a name. I'll just say sure. I'll probably change it later. I'm going to say I want this to communicate in the tone of Mila Kunis, specifically friendly, knowledgeable, and ready to talk about it all. So you can't send while it's building a picture, but oh, here's a little logo it made. If you don't know the latest updates, now ChatGPT works with DALL-E 3, so you can create a lot of really cool things. After we create this GPT, I'll show you how we can have it create a landing page image for our website as well. So it's asking me a few more questions. I think it should be casual and conversational, like a best friend. So now it's going to update that again. You can tell because it has a wrench or I think that's a wrench. That means it's working. And then over here on this side is actually called the playground. So you can test out your GPT before you save it, and you can continue to change it without going over. So I'm going to say, how can I create a sales funnel to get people to the homepage to sign up for the launch? And, you know, it doesn't have that much information that I've given it, but it has been able to review this website. So that's why I'm not giving it too much information on like what she has, because they already know like there's a hormone masterclass, there's a subscription box that has things women need, and then there's a podcast. Cool. So it's giving me the overview. And so now I can deliver this, and she can actually ask it to create the emails, to create the ads. I'm not going to customize this to be a professional AdWords writer or a professional funnel creator, because I'm going to give her access to those that are already created. I also would like for you to know that there are over 21,700 GPTs on this GPT called Best Custom GPTs. So this was made by Torben Flinstead, founder of SEO AI. Great job, by the way. And this has a repository of all the funnels out there. So say you're a startup and you don't know what to name your business. You can say business name GPT. You probably don't have to write GPT. And it'll give you a list. I'm creating something for life coaches. So I was looking for GPTs for life coaches last night, and I got 10 GPTs that were super fun to play with. So this one's thinking, it does tell you what it's doing too, which I like. It's telling you where it's searching. It oftentimes will tell you what website it's on if it's outside of OpenAI. It's really thinking there must be a lot. There must be at least 1,000. All right. So business ideas and plan generator, juicy names, business name generator. And then if you want to try them, all you would do is click here. And now we're in business plan generator. All right, so business plan. I need a business plan for a company that creates mugs with dogs on them. So a lot of these are created to ask a lot of questions, which is great. A lot of these will just give you information. So yeah, I'm not going to go through this. You can obviously see what it does. I am going to show you one that we created that I love, AI Facebook ads. We do have a Facebook ad course at jamout.ai, and this whole bot was built on our strategy. So all you need to do is grab your product URL. I'm just going to grab one of mine because nobody's paying me to put theirs in yet. So here, I'll get our AI mastery program. And then I will say, help me create Facebook ads for AI mastery sales. I know I spelled that wrong. I'm just typing fast. All right. So this goes through our entire strategy. It doesn't show you how to post and how we use AI specifically for each one. So you should still check out our course, but it does give you like the hook. We want to talk about the problem and how we solve it. And it'll also tell me what sort of visuals I need for each ad as well. So these are really awesome. We've done really well with our Facebook ads, and our clients that are using them have too. So definitely try this. It is open to the public. Just search for AI Facebook ads by JM AI. And here's the full ad copy. It gives links and everything. So for those of you who have been using ChatGPT for a long time, you can tell that the new update just made it so much better. Also, check this one out if you haven't. This number changes every day, so don't look for this exact number. When I first started, it was at like 17,000, but I found this on Reddit. There's a lot of really cool stuff out there. So build yourself a GPT for your business. It is so easy, and it's so awesome to have this little content companion by your side. So follow me for more. Check out jamout.ai and have a great day. Bye.